Welcome to Avatar Live viewers. Today we are going to meet one of the influential person in Chennai, especially in Jain community, and he is the group head of JG Group and also is the chairman of Jitto Chennai chapter. He has a lot of things to share to us in terms of business values, personal values, and also he has amazing vision for healthcare also. Let's meet Mr. Dolat Jain today and learn a lot of things from him.
Though I was a silver spoon born, but I decided I will not take single penny from my parents. We was making the stainless steel tea can. It is totally manual process, and I was sitting with the labor and making the tea cans. So where evening when I come, my hands will be full of the bloods. Tamil Nadu peoples are very soft peoples and very peace of mind, God-fearing peoples, where the minority everywhere getting the benefits. But Jain never demand for any minority, that you give this minority benefit to us. They never demand. Older days where our community peoples go do the wedding in their village only. But nowadays nothing, everybody they settle, they themselves call as a Madrasi only. 50% animal get killed for the making the leather product. So since then I stopped using any leather product. In our centers, any kind of the disease is there, we are confident to cure any kind of disease without medicine. I can say that we started with the zero, and today around about $600 million US. Our business is there.
Namaste, Mr. Dolat Jain. So, thanks for meeting us. So, before I go into details, I want to know your journey to Tamil Nadu. So, where you start from, so about your family and your business.
As a business, we call as a JG Group, and JG Group in Chennai, it is since 1909. It is a family business. JG Group full form is earlier it was a Jetmal Ganmal, the shop name was there. So gradually we made like the JG Group. So my grandfather started. Then of course my father's brothers, all they joined. My father, 4 brothers. In that period, after we was having the business in even the Rajasthan also. So my father was keep on the traveling. Mostly my father was handling all the business. So he was keep on the traveling. I born in 1961 in Jodhpur, and I studied there only up to higher secondary. Then in 78 I came to Chennai. I did graduation from the AM Jain College. So it was somewhere 82, 83 I started my own. And but what happened, suddenly it came in my mind, why should I take my father money to doing the business? Though I was a silver spoon born. And suddenly I left everything. I didn't come out from the house, but I decided I will not take single penny from my parents.
What was your age at that time?
Say around 24 years.
24 years, okay.
So 24 years, and then how to do the business without money. Then we can do one way, the government supply. So I registered myself in the Southern Railway. So there, then the inquiry was coming, we was quoting, we was collecting price from market and quoting and getting the tenders inquiry, or then getting success in the tender, buying the material credit from the market, selling to them. And in that period, before I started this business, I was with my uncle. I don't know what was in their mind, but today I say, thanks to them. They put me with the labor. And the labor means stainless steel patra, where you won't get ventilation also. And there we was making the stainless steel tea can. It is totally manual process. So he put me there, and I was sitting with the labor and making the tea cans. So where evening when I come, my hands will be full of the bloods. But I never complained to anybody. Okay, this was also journey. So when I started my own this government supply, I was not having any vehicles. Using the city bus, government bus, and those days, at least in a month, at least 3-4 times I was evening no food. because those days I was following very strictly Jain follow, like night after sunset I should not eat. Then in a 1 year my brother joined, Rajesh, younger brother. So then were two persons not required in one business. Okay, importation of the paper we started, and that gradually increased volume. So slowly we reduced the government supply. Then we opened the branch in Delhi also. Then in 86 I got married. So 1 year I shifted myself in Delhi because I am only the eldest who married. So somebody should be there to take care of the house also. Delhi didn't suit to me in the sense the style of the working in Delhi. They are the very smart and means they will say something and they are keeping inside something.
Okay.
So it doesn't suit to me. We are in Chennai we speak everything.
Openly. Okay.
So there they say, no, you don't talk this all the things. I say it doesn't suit to me. Better I go back. So then Rajesh went to Delhi, I came back to Chennai. Then in somewhere the 89, 90, my third brother Mahesh also left his study and he joined the business. Then when he joined, we thought, okay, something's do new things. So we started the export. And very short period itself, we become the one of the biggest export in India, and we got the export house status also very short period. My father used to say, he was saying that if you want to do import-export business, you should have the office outside India also. Then only you can be a proper success. Okay. So we got opportunity to do in Nigeria, to start in Africa, Nigeria. And we started with the paper. So Nigeria also we succeeded. Then we opened the office in Hong Kong. Then 2004, I don't know, Rajesh, we opened office in Dubai also. So Rajesh became the NRI in 2003-04. I also became the NRI, being the Nigeria and all. And Chennai business was in the running way. And somewhere in 2004, we got opportunities offer of the start hotel industries. Okay. The persons who wanted to hotel industry, he approached us for the something tie-up can we do. Rajesh called me in Nigeria. I said, why don't we join? So first time maybe they was not so, because they was not so knowingly us. So we was not having the experience of the hotel industries. But okay, nothing wrong. Having the at least no experience, no problem, at least we will build a good property. So we entered in the hotel industry and we was no regret. From this, we started in OT also.
Same brand, what is the brand
Yeah,
name?
same, this actually in here, the name of our company is the Deccan Plaza Hotel.
Deccan Plaza. Right.
So then we have given the franchisee to run because somebody took the brand building. So we have taken the recent, is a Bangalore group. They have the many properties in all over the India. So we took the franchisee from them where they marketing and branding. And then we opened the Ooty. Ooty we ourselves running, no branding, nothing. It is a Deccan resort. We are coming one more hotel in the OMR road. So this is a hotel industry. Then we enter in the software also. We are in the telecom software. We are doing also now also. In Delhi, we are manufacturing LED lights also. We are manufacturing, which is the brand name is called the Claire. We are in Dubai. We are doing construction, metals, and even the scrap. Here also we are importing paper, chemicals, garment accessories. These are all the things here also we are doing. As well as we have the factory in the Vietnam also. We started one unit in where there we are manufacturing stainless steel ingot and bright bars. And in Nigeria also, of course, along with the trading, what we are doing there, paper and chemicals trading. And now we are doing the agro product also in Nigeria. Agro product means whatever the product grow in Nigeria. Okay. From there we export to many countries. Oh. So this is our business journey, and today I can say that we started with the zero yeah. And today around about $600 million US. Okay. Our business is there, and we are the three brothers and joint family. Okay. Totally joint family, means it is not like that unit separate. So it is
same house.
Yeah, same house, okay. But having the different offices, different place, so everybody is looking that office. Okay. But like this house, you can say like we are having the 6 So, three brothers. So, three brothers' room is there in this house. And it is known that one Rajesh room, one Mahesh room. In same place, Delhi also we have like that. In Dubai also we have like that. Same things we are patterning. Even if you come in my office, we have the one room which is my cabin, will be 3 seats will be there. So, it is totally joint family now. We are,
How many members working for you, sir? Employees? One entire group?
entire group we have around 400 members.
400 members.
Entire group, including all Vietnam, Nigeria, everywhere, Dubai, and even
What are the main things you like about Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu peoples are very soft peoples and very peace of mind, God-fearing peoples. I can say like that. So they want to be work with them and all comfortable, and we are also comfortable with them. And now see, everybody settled in the Tamil Nadu, like we have the many local people also, where means our contribution also there in Tamil Nadu. Nowadays, you would have been seen that older days where our community peoples go do the wedding in their village only. But nowadays nothing. Everybody they settle. They themselves call as a Madrasi only. They don't call like they are the Rajasthani all. They mix with them.
So you call yourself as a Madrasi, Chennai? Chennai.
Like is a simple way. Like you see the Aadhaar card or Ration card. Now we have in Chennai name. So means we are the city, we are the residents of the here. So and like where we have the in any functions. So in the function way, lot of contribution. See, if I do any function in my house or my some wedding is there. So where we go, we will hire the decorator. So indirectly contribution to them. Tamil community, somebody will be there, photographer will be there, cooks will be there, lot of things will be there involvement. So it is a vice versa. We are also getting from them some things and we are also giving to the society.
So coming to, you said that God-fearing thing, one thing you opened up. So Jainism is one of the India's 6th largest religion in India. Okay, so what are the key important values Jainism follows in the business?
Because Jain is mostly a business community. They don't know the politics. They are main on their business. And like anything is happens, they will be go and sit their home. They won't come for the fight. And they won't come for anything demanding or anything. They won't stand for that, you are doing for this. Being we are also in minority. We are come in the minority committee, but we never demand. Where the minority everywhere getting the benefits. But Jain never demand for any minority. That you give this minority benefit to us. They never demand. Mostly in the Jain, they won't do any animal product business. Whereas the animal cruelty or harming, that business they won't do. That is a main principle they will follow. Like if you tell to me, since I got awareness, I was member of an animal welfare board since 2007 or 5. Then I comes to know that leather, how the animals get cruel to making the leather. Because 50% animal get killed for the making the leather product. So since then I stopped using any leather product. I am not using any leather product.
And you are also part of JITO, sir. So Jain International Trade Organization. You are the chairman for JITO Chennai chapter. So how this is helping the Jain community to exchange the knowledge or business transactions? How well it is organized in Chennai?
What happens? The Jain community is divided in the 4, which is called Terapanthi, Mandir Margi, means temple follower, and Digambar and Sthanakvasi. So these 4 is a different, okay. But everybody is a follower of the Mahaviras. But all is a different and it is getting this way. So the JITO has thought that why don't we make a platform where all can be in one platform. So the JITO has come. Means Jain, all the things is a social. Like everywhere doing social. But JITO is only for the business community. The full name is Jain International Trade Organization. So how to promote more trade? If you do more trade, then you can do more social work. That is the intention. So it bring and it is well success. The thought when it comes sometime in 2005 and Chennai started 2007, JITO chapter open in 2007. So it is very good thought, and today it is Jito has around 15,000 members across the country, world I can say. Even the Jito has the 70 chapters in India, whereas some 11 chapters in international also, UK, USA, Hong Kong, Australia, Dubai, everywhere it is there. So Jito is bringing a whole world Jain community in one platform, where everybody will know each others, and wherever each other's benefit require, they can exchange whatever their business are doing, and how can we promote, how can we bring the poor economy peoples to bring it uplift. See, when we bring one community up, that community do the support to others. So that concept has come in the Jito to do how to grow the business. And in that, I am happy to share this one thing, sir. We have the Jito is a forum in Chennai, Jito Business Network. Every month we do 2 meetings, where across the table, and we have done super business, everybody happy, very happy. It is super business is going across the table, on the table itself. And
How many members are there in Jito Chennai chapter?
Chennai chapter we have around 1,000 members.
1,000, only business people?
Yeah, no, professional is also there.
So anybody
Chartered
can join
accountant.
as a member?
Yeah, chartered accountant, advocate, doctors, all are there. So if we count ladies wing, youth wing, it will be around 1,500, 1,700 members we have today in Chennai.
So there are a lot of young Jains are coming now. They are studying abroad and they are entering into business. What kind of important advice you give to the young Jains?
What I followed in my life, like I started from the zero. So you should have the passion of the working. A fire should be there. And for any failure also, you should not go in the depression. Always you should have a positivity in the life. You should not go in the race. Because if you want to chase somebody, then your focus entire will go on that person. Chasing only. And in the chasing, always the accident is possible. So that is I always follow, that I do my own way. And always positivity life. Somebody harm to you also, you take in that way, okay, this is also given one lesson to me, and maybe something wrong it happens, okay, leave it. So that is I used to say that.
What are your motivational activities that you do to keep yourself motivated or positive?
Habit to meet the people. When I meet the people, I have the normal, I am talk with them more and to understand. I do gossip also with them. When the gossip, some important point comes. So, and in my office also, I don't do much direct work, which I did in myself. Then now I allot the work to the peoples. And I watch them, that's all. I give freedom and I don't give the freedom both the way. So the motivation is the main thing, is that when I meet the people, that only is learning for me. Who is doing, what he is doing, then I come and discuss with my brother, this and all the things. Now our youngster is coming, though my 2 daughters, both are the married. But my brother's son, he is studying in the USA. So now next generation, he is only coming in the business. And we have the family discussion also, once in a year we do with the family get together, where we don't enjoy. Just like we do the counseling totally. Every, entire my father family, 3 brothers, 3 sister family, entire we will meet and we will talk, 2 days we just talk. What is happening, this we will talk. Even the children also will be there involved in the interacting, this all the things, that only motivating main things. And of course this all the, I can say, my father, mother, what it has been taught to us, and that only is the bonding for us in family bonding.
What's your big vision that you want to do after 5 years or 10 years for Tamil Nadu or for your community, that you have in your mind, or a big dream that you want to implement?
You know, the Jito is the main focus on the community base. But when national climatic like this, there was a flood in Chennai, 2005, 2006, something, there was a flood, very heavy flood. And that time, before government start, we was on the road. And we was calculated, whole team get together and we calculated what to do. Somebody organization giving this, somebody giving this. Then finally we come on the conclusion that we will give the blanket. Nobody was giving the blanket. So in that period we have given around 200,000 blanket.
Okay.
So it was not for our community. Any national calamity is coming. The Jito is coming front. Like Pulma, when the soldiers killed, that time Jito has given the around 3 crores rupees to them, soldiers, and that directly to their family, not to any government, not to like PM fund or CM fund.
Okay.
We have taken the list and distributed there directly in their account. My vision, what you ask, what I wanted to do, I am not much fussy behind the business. I just wanted to tell you that in our family, we don't take any kind of medicines. Last 70 years is the experience, we are the experience. We don't have any medicine in our house. Even our children doesn't have any type of vaccinations. No polio drops, nothings. And we also live in same world. We also eat whatever the things. So my intention, we all call the whole world is Vasudev Kutumb. When we can live in this world in this way, why not other to be live same way? So in the Bangalore, my father vision was there that our contribution should go make the people to live well in illness also. How to live well in illness. That was concept. So we have first center we opened in the Bangalore, which is just 2 years before we opened. And but experience was there. My sister, she is a practitioner, and her husband, Dr. Mahendra, he is the medical side. But both concept, it is totally reverse. One is medical, one is the holistics. So, but he also understands the concept, and he also joined her. And in our centers, any kind of the disease is there, we are confident to cure any kind of disease.
Without medicine?
Without medicine, without medicine. Okay. Even somebody come for the kidney transplant, we will cure it. Diabetes, 100% cure. Where in the medical science it is not cure, it is managing.
You are planning to implement the same in Chennai also?
We have the plan. We already have the land. Okay. So let this 2 years baby only. So we are thinking let it go in the now full-fledged we have to be managed. So when it comes on the remote based, okay. So then we have the plan to gradually all over the country we want to be open.
This practice is called as what, sir? Like
we call in the general language we can say naturopathy, okay. But we call the holistic centers. Okay. Where is a different concept. Normally we don't treat on the person's body. We treat on their mind. Okay. So we do all detox, the mind detox we main focus, mind detox. Because we follow the mind is get okay, then body automatically will get detox.
Very interesting.
So this is the concept we follow.
Big vision you have said.
Yes, this is our vision. My vision in our entire whole family vision is that is only how to reach this. When we live in this without medicine, why not others to live? We are doing regular seminar also, this free of charge we are doing. Anybody is calling. Through your media, I just want to say, anybody want to do the seminar, we will come. If any NGOs or if anybody is doing the payment basis, we also will charge. Because we are running a trust there. Okay. And trust, it is not profit making trust. So anything is there. If anybody want to be live well in how to without medicines, we are ready, can contact us, we are ready to help them. And then we can give the guarantee also. If you are ready to get your rectified cure, we are ready to cure you.
Thank you very much. It was really a pleasure, inspiring to interact with you.
Thank you very much for coming and having this all the information taken, and you want to be promote and to be say that others should be know, and so I am thank you for what the job you are doing for the society. It is, I can say it is a social work. Yes. Whatever way you have the plan, but for me I can say it is a social work where the peoples are understanding the value of the persons. Yes. And the youngster, what you want to say, it is really good what you are doing. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Best of luck, and I good wish to you for this, whatever you are doing. Thank you very much for this.